Do you love to cook? Or are you a food vlogger, a chef vlogger? This condominium unit is so perfect for you. It's 150 square meter. Ito na yung iyong palace. Ito na yung inyong kitchen. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Ha? Yung mga bisita ninyo? Whether you are a chef, a barista, you can enjoy this space ng kitchen nyo. The first impression na nakita ko, pagpasok mo, ito yung entrance. Okay? Ito na yung iyong palace, no? Ito na yung inyong kitchen palace, no? Napakaganda. You have nice counter here. Yan. Kung ang objective mo, you love to cook and then you want to invite friends and families here in your flat, napakasarap magluto dito. Okay? Tapos you have the living and dining. Pagkaluto mo, eto. Yan. Okay? So, pagkakain mo sa kanila, ayan, nakaset up na yung table. Very accessible to kitchen. Look at the cabinets. Kasama po yan sa turnover. This overhead kitchen cabinet, then the range hood. Okay, ganito po yung stove top niya. Yan, you have the outlets. And this one, this kitchen cabinets, kasama na rin po. Yan. Okay? Whether you are a chef, a barista, yan, you can enjoy this space ng kitchen nyo here in Lupon, no? So, this is 115 square meter, 2 bedroom. So, check pa natin yung iba. Yan. Siyempre, if you have visitors, kailangan mag-CCR sila. So, ito na yung CR nila. Yan. So, you have this toilet, tapos may bidet na siya, kasama na siya. So, this is called fixtures. No? Itong naka-set up na toilet, the tissue holder, the bidet, and the toilet. Tapos, meron pa sila dito, wash basin. No? Yung mga bisita nyo, pwede pa mag-refresh here. Okay? So, nice. Ayan. So, ang maganda dito, pag mahaba nagluluto ka or may ginagawa ka, hindi ka nadadaan sa bedroom mo para mag-CR. So, this is the first bedroom. Okay, so the first bedroom, you also have another toilet and bath, pero look at the layout. Okay? Look at the layout. It is connected to your lodgia. So, it is a big balcony, actually. So, ang lodgia, hindi po siya nakalawit, yung pinaka-structure niya, nakasako pa rin siya dito sa space mo dito sa building. Hindi siya nakalawit sa building. Okay, so ito po yung ma-expect nating view, the Bridgetown, the destination estate of Robinson's Land. So, di ba, ang laki niya? So, bukod sa coffee, you can still have more space to do exercises, yoga, having a fresh air every morning, watching the sunset, the morning sun. Yan, so nice. And then you have this sliding doors. Diba? I really believe LePont is bridging you to your best life. Okay? Pagising mo, ito yung lodgia mo, nandyan yung TV mo. Diba? King and queen size bed is surely fit in this bedroom. Yan. Ang maganda dito, you have, bukod na master's bedroom siya, you can have your own dressing room. Okay? Ito yung dressing room mo. Yan. Okay? You have your own dressing room. So, you have the watches, your collection of watch, neckties, yan, pwede nyo lagay dito. Yan. Of course, meron din kayo lalagyan ng slippers. Yan. And then, you straight ahead to your toilet and bath. You can see your shower room is naka-divide siya or naka-partition siya with the glass. Yan. And then you have your toilet with a nice counter. Okay? Ang ganda. Para ka nasa spa. Alright? So you can put a lot of things here. Yung ating evening habit, yung ating tinatawag na, ano bang tawag doon? Yung, nakalimutan ko. Mamaya maalala ko ulit. Okay? So you have the bedroom. And of course, you still have space for your books. Okay? Pwede ka rin dito maglagay ng mga work from home nyo. Yan. And then for entertainment, nakasentro sa TV, sa kama, nice. Yan. So this is the master's bedroom. Yan, tingnan po ninyo. Yan. Okay, let's go. Okay. So pag ano nyo, okay lang ba kayo dyan? Ha? Yung mga bisita ninyo. Yan. So pupunta ka dito. Yan, nandyan na sila sa living. And then you have this. Actually, this is also ini-interior lang siya na parang private office room. Pero, as for the turnover, you can choose din na pwede mo rin itong gawing another bedroom. Kasi meron din siyang toilet and bath. Yan. Okay? So, meron siyang, sabi nga non-skid porcelain tiles. Hindi siya nakakadulas. Okay? Yung walls niya, yan, naka-tiles din. Yan. So, pasukin natin yung shower. So, it's not a condo anymore. It's like a suite. Okay? In a 5-star hotel ang pakiramdam. So, para ka nasa 5-star hotel, tapos naka-suite ka, yan. Yun ang pakiramdam dito. Yan. So, malaki siya, no? So, napakalaki niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.5 step. Okay? Taas ng ceiling, high ceiling. Yan. And then, ito yung ating wash basin. Yan. It's nice. May luxury feel pa rin. Yan. Okay, you have a space for your closet. Yan. So, pwede mo itong ilagay sa family mo, sa anak mo. Yan, pwede itong second bedroom. Pero kung mag-isa ka lang, you will enjoy this space. If you're a single, pwede ka rin mag-entertain dito ng bisita sa room na to. Kung wala pa kayong anak. Okay? So, masaya, no? Maganda yung layout niya. Tapos, if you have a maid, you can have a room for them. So, this is the utility room. So, naka-set up na yung washing machine provision. Yan, pwede kayong maglagay dito. Kung dalawa yung maid nyo, pwede nyo pang i-double deck yan. Tapos, may sarili naman sila shower and toilet. Okay naman sila dyan. Yan. Pwede silang maligo with privacy nila, with toilets. Ito yung kama nila. Kung dalawa yung katulong nyo, pwede nyo gawing double deck. Let's go. Alright. So, ito, ang ganda. This is the kitchen again, the favorite part ng mga mahilig magluto. This condo is good and perfect sa mga chef, no? So, this one is 115 square meter. Okay? So, if you, pag gusto nyo ng details and to assist you kung anong floor ang gusto nyo, you can just message me in my social media accounts and of course to my numbers below. This is Lupont Residences, bridging you to your best life.